Hi, my name is Vincent. We're at the Giga factory Berlin. Today we're doing a little background story on the graffiti project on site. So when Elon posted that we're going to turn all the concrete surfaces of the factory into art, we took that quite literal. So at first we started with some local graffiti crews, but then we realized that to cover the entire factory with art, we had to also leverage technology, because this is Tesla, obviously. So we found a robot muralist, so one-of-a-kind startup that developed a graffiti printer. Together with them, we were able to also get digital artworks printed on our factory walls. And so we curated some from artists around the world, but also did a lot of the artworks ourselves in-house.
So the robot consists of two parts. One is the printhead and the lifting mechanism. So this is the lifting mechanism, just winding two of these Kevlar cables so that the robot can move directly up and down, basically a triangulation method. The paintings, they compose of these little dots, right? So we have about 10 million dots of one wall, and this whole west side is composed of about 300 million dots of paint. Each wall has 5 different colors. The printhead has 12 cans of paint on board. Yeah, and the paint is shot underneath here. So these little holes, and they shoot the paint. The propellers are just to give a little bit of push towards the wall, so it wouldn't swing away. And this red light, this is the tracking target for the camera.
We get a lot of inspiration from Berlin, but also from Tesla's product and the factory itself. I mean, it's the machine that builds the machine, and it's a very inspiring place. So all of the artworks take different aspects from the local spirit, and there's still so much left to do. We're far from done.